Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook page in PC or laptop. You can easily change your found page name on desktop. But note that your page name is the title of your Facebook business page as shown by your profile photo. Changing this name will not change your Facebook page URL or web address, which is the same as your username and @name. Here are the details to change or edit your page name via computer browser. First, click the avatar at the top right of any page and be sure you're logged in as your page, not your profile. Then, click Settings and Privacy. And click Settings. In Settings, you must click Page Setup in the left sidebar, then the View button to the right of your name. Now you see the general page settings. Click on Edit to the right of your name, and click into the name area and enter a new one. Then click Review Change. Review request for accuracy. If you're happy with it, enter your password and click Request Change. Caution: be sure the name you request is the one you want. This cannot be undone. Once you click Request Change, your request will go to Facebook for approval. Before requesting a name change that may be rejected, I recommend you review the business page name guidelines. Some rules may surprise you. Page names must accurately reflect the page. Keep in mind that only authorized representatives can manage a page for a brand, place, organization, or public figure. Page name can include terms or phrases that may be abusive or violate someone's rights. The word official is the page isn't the official page of a brand, place, organization, or public figure. Improper capitalization. Page names must use grammatically correct capitalization and may not include all capital letters except for acronyms. Descriptions or slogans. People who manage pages can add this information to a page's About section. And last, any variation of the word is Facebook. Page name can't consist only of generic words, generic geographic location. However, you can create a page name for an organization that represents a geographic location. For example, New York City, Mayor's Office, and Queen Elizabeth II of Great Britain are acceptable page names. This should be plenty. Think short and memorable. Further descriptions should be placed in your About section. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.